Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and whatever. So I've finally decided to do this how do you sound thing. And since I don't trust my video camera, it's going to be voice only with a slideshow of pictures. And who knows, I might actually be in one of the pictures. So, anyway, to begin with the directions, it says, first, state your name. Well, I'm going to go with Marie. It's not my first name, but it is my middle name. Where you are generally from. Well, that's a tough one, actually. I'm from South Central Texas and Southeastern Wisconsin. I've lived in both places. But now I live in Arkansas, so I honestly have no idea where. If somebody asks me where I'm from, I honestly have no idea what to say. I guess I'll go with Arkansas. And then just begin speaking. First, the list of words. And here they are. Aunt, route, wash, oil, theater, ice, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, shore, data, ruin, crayon, YouTube, rifle, toilet, New Orleans, pecan, both, again, probably, you, little bit, hey, I know someone who has a dog named that, sponge, spitting image, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, syrup, pajamas, cot, how now brown cow. I have a feeling that might be a pop culture reference that I don't get. And now the list of questions. What is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? I had actually never heard a term for that until last Halloween, and then I discovered that it's called TPing. What is the bug that when you touch it, it curls into a ball? That is a roly-poly. What is the bubbly carbonated drink called? That can be called either a soda or a Coke. But I also hear a lot of people say the word pop. What do you call gym shoes? I call them sneakers. Not to be confused with a candy bar, which is Snickers, but meh. What's the tiny lobster that crawls around in creek bottoms? I think I call that a crawfish? Crawdad? I'm not entirely sure. I don't like fish, so I never really learned that one. Can you say all the months of the year? Why, yes, I do know all the months of the year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yay! What do you say to address a group of people? I'd say, hey, y'all. Or I'd definitely use something that has the word y'all in it. What do you call the kind of spider or spider-like creature that has an oval-shaped body and extremely long legs? That is a daddy long legs. What do you call your grandparents? Well, there's actually a few different answers on that, because my father's parents, who were from California, I call them Nana and Grandpa. My mother's parents, who were from rural East Texas, were known as Grandma and Grandpa. What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket? That is a grocery cart, or shopping cart. What do you call it when it rains while the sun is shining? I've never actually heard of a name for that. So, I don't know. Rain shower? Rainbow? I don't know. What is the thing you change the TV channel with? That is a remote control, or remote for short. And, oh, excuse me. And that is the end of the list. I probably should have waited until my throat was a little more clear to do this, but I was just impatient and I wanted to give it a try, so I'll probably be replacing this once my throat is clear, whenever that may be. So, bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.